that these questions that I'm going to discuss with you are taken from the SSB interview experiences as shared by the candidates on our website ssbcrack.com. So you may or may not face the similar questions in your SSB interview. As I've already mentioned, please do not take all the answers that I'm going to share with you in this session as the probable answers or as the best answers in your actual SSB, because you can give different answers to different questions that will be asked to you, right? So I will start with the tricky questions now. So here you go with the first question. What are your future career options? Now please do not take this as the alternate career options. This question is not the same as alternate career options. So the candidate who to whom this question was asked, he answered, sir, I want to be a part of the Indian Army. If I couldn't make it, I will be trying for Air Force and the Navy, right? The next question that was asked was, talk to me about your parents. What do you think of them? So here you can talk about the different contributions and sacrifices that your parents have made for you. So the candidate here replied, I think of them as people who gave birth to me and I owe my life to them literally, right? The next question is, whom do you share your problems with? So this is a very easy and a personal question. You can say I share it with the relevant people. For example, regarding college and studies related problems, I share with my college friends. My personal problems, I share with my parents, and so on. The next question is, what will you do if I run away with your sister? Now, this question may seem a little tricky at first, because in this question, the IO will test how you will react to a sudden situation. So, as you can see here, the candidate has answered in a very witty way. He said, then I'll have someone qualified for guiding me through SSB procedure. I'll clarify all my SSB related doubts, right? The next question that was asked to a candidate was, what if one morning you woke up and found that you were pregnant? Probably this question was asked to one of the female candidates. So if you're a female candidate, the IU asks you these kinds of questions in SSB, you can reply to the question something like, I'll be happy about it and celebrate with my husband and family. Right? This is a very natural and normal question to it. The next question is, why have you only applied for Army? Don't you like Navy or Air Force, right? The candidate answered, so it doesn't matter where I get selected, but the passion for defense will be there in me, and I will try for Air Force and Navy too if I'm not selected for the Indian Army, right? Okay, the next question can be, do you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend? So this kind of questions can be asked to you, and you can, it will depend. You can answer yes or no. If you answer no, it can be asked to you, why don't you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend? Are you a gay or a lesbian, whatever? So you can say, I do support LGBTQ for equal rights, but I am not a gay. All right, I'm not a homosexual. So you can answer something like that, as the candidate has answered quite wittily here. The next question can be, why do you want to leave your current job for the army? So the candidate answer is, you can say, I don't want to leave my current job. The only reason I'll be leaving is when I'm selected in the forces. Okay. Another question that can be asked are, what are the things that you do not like about your current job? Now here you can go in length talking about what are the weaknesses of your company or in the workplace that you work in, or what are the loopholes, or why you don't want to work in. But I would suggest that these kinds of questions are very tricky, because the IO will ask you these kinds of questions to test whether you are satisfied with one job or not. So it is better to answer in a much more clever way. So you can say two or three loopholes of your company or the workplace that you are working in, but it is always better to round it off with some replies like, I love my current job, sir, but I am always passionate about the forces. So try to tell as less amount of loopholes as you can find in your current job, because that will show what kind of a person you are, or that you are not satisfied with the current job, and it can be a problem. So this can pose as a very problematic answer if you're giving a length of a list of weaknesses about why you don't want to work in your current workplace. The next question can be, how do your friends describe you? Like an officer. Again, a very clever way of, saying this, a very clever way of replying to your question, where the candidate is already talking all these things, already telling the IO that my friend has already considered me like an officer. So I have all the officer like qualities, and that's why my friends like me, or something like that. Very clever way of saying. But you can also use some other words. How do your friends describe? You can say, I'm very helpful, I am very loyal to my friends. The next question is, what would be your reaction if I say I'm not going to select you no matter how excellent you perform? Again, these kinds of questions are asked to create pressure on the candidate. The IO wants to see if the candidate is able to handle failure, or is able to handle, a rejection. So it's okay. You can say that I will be all right. I will not. I will again apply. I will come again next year, and again I will face you, and again you will be questioning me, and I'll be answering to you. Or you can say something like, then I will get selected on the basis of the other two tests. As you know, in SSB, there are different tests that have been conducted, psychological tests, and so on. So you can say something very wittily like, the candidate has answered to this kind of question. The next kind of question is, would you rather choose an intelligent or a beautiful wife? So this was obviously asked to a male candidate, and the candidate has very cleverly again replied, I would choose a beautifully intelligent wife, right? So very tricky. So you know how to answer these tricky questions like this. So you can very cleverly and wittily answer questions. If you are allowed to beat the crap out of a person, who would it be, right? So the candidate has answered Robert Clive for colonizing India. Very clever. Okay. So next question is, if you commit a crime without anyone seeing you, would you tell anyone about it, and to whom? It is recommended that if these kinds of questions are asked to a candidate,